In this video, we will solve a very important problem in which we will convert columns that contain delimited values into rows. Let me show you the data set. So here I have prepared a very small data. So let me zoom it. And here you can see we have different products belong to different customers. And for example, these are the cities. You can assume these are the warehouses to which these products are belong. And we need to know that how many products are available in each warehouse, right? So how we will do this? Let's go to the Power Query. So I had already imported this data into the Power BI, and here I have dragged one city column, and if I drag one more column, that is products, and these are the products that are available for every warehouse, and I need to know that how many products are available or how many products belong to each warehouse. So what I can do is here you can see I can go here and I say okay, just need to count, and here you can see we are getting for every warehouse there are like Islamabad, Karachi till Peshawar we are getting 3 products, and for the Rawalpindi we are getting 2 products. Let's go to the underlying data in the data tab. So here if I select Lahore, we have seen 3 number of products are 3, and there are 3 products, but if you look carefully you will see how many products do we have. This is mouse, keyboard, speaker, USB. These are the 4, and then we have computer and mobile. These are 6. USB is there, computer is there. So there should be 6 products that belong to Lahore, right? And in the same way, the other products are available for the different warehouses. So assume if we have like hundreds of comma-delimited products and we want to see each and every product belong to each warehouse, or we want to calculate sale, it is very difficult task to count these products manually. So what we can do is we need one row per delimited value so that we can easily calculate, right? For this we have to click to the transform data, and we need to select this product, go click to the transform, and here you can see split column, and we just need to click by delimited. Let me show you one more thing. If you click split column, you can see different options like by delimiter, number of characters, position, lowercase, and many more, but here we have only delimiter. Click, we need to choose comma because all the values are comma separated, and then there are different options available, right? If you don't have tab, space, semicolon, you can select custom, and here you can write any separator according to your case, but for our case it is comma, and we need to zoom it, and here if you click advanced option, it is split into find the values, comma separated values, and then split into rows. You need to select this option only, right? So then we just need to click OK, and here you can see we are getting these values, right? So now we need to load this data, close and apply, and here you can see we are getting these values. For example, Lahore, these are 8 values. Why it is 8? Let's go to the data tab and select Lahore. So here you can see we are getting like USB, speaker, keyboard, computer. These are 2 times, right? And again the USB is also 2 times. So how we will fix this issue, and we will see this issue for the other cities as well. So we just need to click to the report, and if you go here under values, so here you can see first we were getting the count, and now we need to click the distinct count, the count distinct function. And once you will click here, you will see every value now in proper order. The lower is 6, Karachi 6, and our 24. So in this way you can solve your issue. The only thing that you need to remember when you will perform this operation, the comma delimited values in the column, and when you will convert these values into rows, the only problem you will get the duplicate values, right? So you just need to take care of the duplicate values. In this way you can solve your business issue.